That's beautiful. Well, my friends, welcome back to Homesteading, Northern Michigan. Today is really exciting. I've been kind of sitting on this log because I heard if you leave it laying on the ground for a couple years, that it will be beautiful on the inside. I know I'm going to hear it in the comments, but I'm cutting this thing into two separate pieces. The reason for is because my bed's only so big, and if you look at comparison to the log, I have to go from this side right here all the way to that side there. So there's no way that this little bed's going to take care of that big old log with the burl on it. So to salvage the piece with the burl on it, I'm going to cut it right here. We're at 14 inches there. And we are looking at 15 there. I think what I'm gonna do, cut right here and just lumber that up. Then the rest of this I'll slab. And you can see we got a big old crack going down there. I didn't seal it. I wanted the bacteria to get in there, the fungus. You can see we got some color here. This is cherry. This cherry also has a massive burl on it, and that part was already was laying on the ground. So we should have some pretty stuff coming out of that section too. I gotta just pop a blade on there, and I think the water level's good. Some of you have asked what I use for lubricant. Regular old water. I don't use soap. I drain it in the winter time. I don't mill in the winter because that's cold. We got a lot of mud on here. Good thing we got some rain coming in a little bit. Okay, so I don't see a lot of spalting. That's really wet right there. But what I do see, it's really dry. It's not too dry. You can see the wet rings. But as far as cherry, it's definitely not fresh. All right, well, this thing ain't gonna fit on my mill, guys. It is a beautiful rainy day up here in northern Michigan. It's gotta be 50 degrees out. I'm loving it. Well, it looks like it's gonna clear, so at least enough to cut that tip off. Man, I hate to do that. I really hate to do that. Nothing special yet. We got some little specks there. I don't think that's spalting. It may be. But I'd probably have to say that's sap pockets from the cherry. I'm gonna have to say that that is spalting. I can clearly see it now. So hopefully the Burl has a bunch of that, because Burl is all squirrely looking. Beautiful. He's coming off there. Trying to get that on. Set it aside. So here's a couple little pieces I'll be saving, drying them out, seeing what they turn into. These two right here, these are both barrels. that I just ended up cutting off. They got a really nice figure and grain in there. You can see that burl heavily right there in the center. And there's this one, you can see real good burl in it. These will be made into something nice when they dry. Now as far as the slabs go, I book match these ones. Look at that, that's beautiful. Even go a little bit further, cut them a little bit more. Just be a great looking table. This stuff's a little soft right here. Oh, that's like dirt. So all that'd be pulled out, epoxy would be filled in there. Look at that, beautiful. This is spalting. So we did end up with a little spalting. Wasn't as much as I was hoping for, but it's still there. Beautiful looking slabs. Well, my friends, I'd like to thank you for watching Homesteading Northern Michigan. If you made it this far and you like what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button. Ring the notification bell if you want to be up to date on future projects. I'm building an off-grid homestead, so there's all kinds of things going on this channel. And I'm always open to doing videos that you guys suggest also. So feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you think of this and what you'd like to see me do around here. And of course, before I leave, I got to give a special thank you and shout out to all the Michiganders who hit that join button. Your support is amazing. Thank you. You guys have a blessed day, and thanks for watching Homesteading Northern Michigan. Peace. How are you? Can I get you on camera?